A few years ago, a 69-year-old retired schoolteacher named Eleanor sat quietly across from me with a question I have never forgotten. She wasn't complaining about pain. She wasn't recovering from surgery. In fact, every medical test she had taken during the previous year looked perfectly normal. Yet she leaned forward and said something that caught my attention immediately. "I don't feel like myself anymore. I wake up exhausted, I forget little things, and by lunchtime, I feel like all my energy has disappeared." Her doctor had reassured her that everything was simply part of getting older, but Eleanor wasn't convinced, and neither was I. After spending time talking through her daily routine, we discovered that the problem wasn't how much she was eating, it was what she was eating. We made just a handful of simple changes using ordinary foods from her local grocery store. 3 weeks later, she called me with a smile in her voice, and what she told me changed the way I explain healthy aging forever. Today I'm going to share those 5 foods with you, and food number 3 surprises almost everyone who hears about it. Before I reveal the first food, there's something very few people realize about the body after the age of 60. Most people assume feeling tired, weaker, or mentally slower is simply the price of growing older. While aging does bring natural changes, it doesn't tell the whole story. As we age, the digestive system gradually becomes less efficient at extracting nutrients from food. Muscle tissue also becomes less responsive to protein, meaning your body needs higher quality nutrition just to maintain the strength and energy you once had. At the same time, inflammation quietly increases, bones lose density, and the brain becomes more vulnerable to nutrient deficiencies that can affect memory and concentration. The foods that served you well in your 40s may no longer provide everything your body needs today. That's why choosing the right foods becomes more important with every passing decade. The good news is that the 5 foods I'm about to show you aren't expensive or difficult to find. In fact, the very first one is probably already sitting in your grocery store, but most people have no idea how powerful it can be after 60. Food number 5 is salmon. And although you've probably heard that it's healthy, the real reason it earns a place on this list has very little to do with what most people think. As the years pass, many older adults notice stiff joints when they get out of bed, slower recovery after simple activities, and a level of fatigue that doesn't improve with more sleep. One reason is that the body gradually develops a low level of chronic inflammation, which quietly affects muscles, joints, blood vessels, and even the brain. Salmon is naturally rich in omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients that help support a healthy inflammatory response and are associated with maintaining muscle function and brain health as we age. Studies have shown that older adults who consume enough omega-3s may be better able to preserve muscle mass, an important factor for maintaining strength and independence. If fresh salmon isn't practical, don't worry. Canned salmon, sardines, or mackerel provide many of the same nutrients. But while healthy fats are important, the next food supplies something your muscles simply cannot function without, and most older adults still aren't getting enough of it. Food number 4 is eggs. And if you've been avoiding them because you were told they would ruin your cholesterol, it may be time to revisit that advice with your healthcare provider. Over the past several years, nutrition research has become much more nuanced, showing that for many people, moderate egg consumption can be part of a healthy diet. But cholesterol isn't the reason eggs made this list. Their greatest strength lies in the combination of high-quality protein and a lesser-known nutrient called choline. Every egg provides the essential amino acids your muscles need to repair themselves, something that becomes increasingly important after the age of 60 when muscle loss naturally accelerates. Choline, found mainly in the yolk, supports normal brain function and plays an important role in memory and communication between nerve cells. One of my patients, a 72-year-old retired mechanic named Frank, replaced his usual breakfast of coffee and toast with 2 eggs, whole grain toast, and a piece of fruit. A few weeks later, he smiled and said, "I don't know what changed, but I don't fade halfway through the day anymore." But the next food surprised even me when I first read the research behind it. Most people associate it with digestion, yet scientists discovered it may do something remarkable for aging bones. Food number 3 is prunes, and if you're already thinking, those are just for constipation, you're not alone. That's exactly what many people believe, which is why this food often gets overlooked. But over the past few years, researchers have uncovered something far more interesting. Several studies suggest that eating a modest serving of prunes each day may help support bone health, particularly in older adults who are at increased risk of bone loss. Scientists believe prunes contain a unique combination of antioxidants, vitamin K, potassium, boron, and natural plant compounds that help maintain the normal balance between the cells that break down old bone and the cells that build new bone. One woman I'll call Dorothy, a 71-year-old grandmother who loved gardening, laughed when I first suggested adding prunes to her breakfast. A few months later, she admitted, "I never imagined something this simple would become part of my daily routine." She didn't think of them as medicine anymore. They had simply become another healthy habit. But if strong bones need more than calcium alone, the next food provides 3 nutrients that quietly work together every single day to support your skeleton, your muscles, and even your heart. Food number 2 is leafy green vegetables. And before you scroll past, because you've heard eat your greens your entire life, stay with me for a moment. The reason they become so valuable after 60 has very little to do with calories and everything to do with the nutrients hiding inside them. Vegetables such as spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard provide a powerful combination of vitamin K, magnesium, and calcium. Think of these 3 nutrients as a construction team. Calcium provides the raw building material, magnesium helps your body use it efficiently, and vitamin K helps guide that calcium into your bones instead of allowing it to accumulate where it doesn't belong. Many older adults focus only on taking calcium supplements, never realizing that these nutrients work best as a team. I remember a retired nurse named Helen, who simply started adding a handful of spinach to her morning omelet and another serving of greens with dinner. Months later, she smiled and said, "I never realized something so ordinary could become one of the healthiest parts of my day." Yet despite all these benefits, the final food on today's list may have the biggest impact on something millions of older adults quietly struggle with every single day: healthy blood flow. Food number 1 is beets, and if it's been years since you've eaten one, you're not alone. Many people remember beets from childhood and never give them another thought. Yet this humble root vegetable contains one of the most fascinating nutrients in nutrition science: dietary nitrates. After you eat beets, your body converts these natural nitrates into nitric oxide, a compound that helps blood vessels relax and widen, allowing blood to move more efficiently throughout the body. This becomes increasingly important after 60, because blood vessels naturally become less flexible with age, making it harder for oxygen and nutrients to reach muscles, the brain, and other organs. Some research has shown that nitrate-rich foods, including beets, may help support healthy blood vessel function in older adults. One gentleman I worked with, Walter, began adding roasted beets to his evening meals a few times each week. After several weeks, he told me, "I don't know how to explain it, but climbing the hill to my mailbox doesn't leave me as winded anymore." But before you rush to fill your shopping cart with every food we've discussed, there's one mistake I see people make over and over again, and it often prevents these healthy habits from lasting. Now, here's the mistake I see far too often. Someone watches a video like this, fills their shopping cart with salmon, eggs, leafy greens, prunes, and beets, promises themselves that this time everything will be different. And by the following weekend, they're back to eating exactly the way they did before. Not because they failed, but because they tried to change everything at once. Lasting health rarely works that way. I remember a retired accountant named George who looked at my entire nutrition plan and laughed. "There's no way I can remember all of this," he said. So I gave him a different challenge. I told him to choose just one food and eat it consistently for 2 weeks before adding anything else. He picked eggs because they were already in his refrigerator. 2 weeks later, he added spinach. A few weeks after that, he introduced salmon. 6 months later, his healthier diet didn't feel like a diet anymore. It had simply become part of his everyday life. And that's exactly how lasting change begins. One simple habit repeated until it becomes second nature. Let's quickly bring all 5 foods together. Number 5, salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids that help support healthy muscles, joints, and brain function. Number 4, eggs, a simple source of complete protein and choline to nourish both your muscles and your memory. Number 3, prunes, far more than a digestive aid. They may help support bone health as part of a balanced diet. Number 2, leafy green vegetables, packed with vitamin K, magnesium, and calcium, nutrients that work together to support strong bones and overall health. And number 1, beets, a natural source of dietary nitrates that help your body produce nitric oxide, supporting healthy blood vessel function and circulation. None of these foods is a miracle on its own, and no single meal can undo years of unhealthy habits. But when these foods become part of a consistent eating pattern, they can help provide your body with many of the nutrients it needs to stay active, strong, and independent as the years go by. The real power comes from consistency, not perfection. If there's one message I hope you take away from today's video, it's this. Healthy aging isn't about finding one magical food. It's about making small, sustainable choices that add up over time. You don't need to change your entire diet by tomorrow. Choose the one food from today's list that feels easiest to add to your routine, and focus on that for the next couple of weeks. Once it becomes a habit, introduce another. Before long, you'll have built a healthier way of eating without feeling overwhelmed. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 5 foods are you going to start with first? Share your answer in the comments below, because your experience could encourage someone else who's beginning the same journey. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing so you don't miss our next episode of Dr. Musa Guide, where we explore practical, evidence-informed ways to support your health after 60. Until next time, remember this. Your body is listening to every choice you make today, and your future health is built one habit at a time.